Alright, boys, it's time to go to bed. Saba, I'm going to, me and Gray going to sleep and bed. It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. Saba, I'm going to, me and Gray going to sleep in living room. Okay, Zach and Gray, make sure you pay attention to me. Pay attention, good. Roberto, you need to go to bed. We have school tomorrow. So go to bed. What? What? Oh, no way. I want living room. You need to go to bed. Be active. You need to listen to Ravi and go to bed. Ravi said you need to go to bed. Good night, Dad. Way! Doug, I'm tired. Great, I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Good night, Great. I'm tired. Great, going to bed. Sleep. Good night, sleep, Dad. Get resting. And Zach going to bed and want to fall asleep tonight. Well, good night. Good night, Gray. Alright, so we're gonna get veteran boys. Get punished today by a dog. Out here, I'm gonna take a dog house and get boys punished today. Before wake up, boys. Wake up, but boys, before boys, Zach and Gray woke up by nap. Let's do it. Let's go outside. Alright, so we're outside. The neighborhood dog, neighborhood people's house, dog, inside. It's wonderful. Oh, I'm here, dog. Hi, dog. How are you doing today? Trying boys get boys punished today? Next do. Yep. First punch the dog bite boys. Zach and Gray will wake up from sleep. Okay? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, dog. I'm here, dog! Oh no! I'm here, dog! Daddy, why do I live right here?
Punch today, you boys!
I'm here, dog! Let's get out of that!
This is terrible.
What's wrong? What's wrong, Zack and Gray? Roberto can't talk inside the house, get punished today. She chased like me to fight dog. Oh no. And now she's grounded. I was asleep. Roberto, how dare you give me punished today by dog? I was asleep. Yeah, Roberto. How dare you give me punished today? I was asleep. Roberto, how dare you give Zack and Gray punished today by dog? That's it. You're grounded for 100% weeks. No phone, no iPad, no go outside, no go out with friends, no go out with us, no go out with dog, no nothing. No phone, no TV, no Xbox, no Fortnite, no GI, no GameStop, no store, no Walmart, no. You're gonna stay home and let baby sit with you. Go to bed. Go to sleep now, Daddy. Ray.